Hi everybody and welcome. I'm Sunny Lee.
And I'm Raul Garcia.
We're product managers here at Zebra, and today we're here to talk about something absolutely massive for our business by talking about something incredibly, almost ridiculously small.
We are here introducing the new ZT610 600 DPI micro label printer.
For a long time, our customers have been telling us they need to print smaller and more precisely than ever. If you've ever tried putting a tracking label on a single pharmaceutical vial or a tiny circuit board without accidentally wrapping it around your own thumb, you know the struggle is real.
The trend across manufacturing is micro labels. Our customers need to put high resolution text and barcodes on labels as small as 3 millimeters.
3 millimeters, Raul? I've sneezed and lost things bigger than 3 millimeters.
Which is exactly why accuracy is critical, Sonny. Any misalignment on a label that small can lead to waste, rework, and ruined products. So we completely re-engineered key components of the ZT610 to achieve up to 50% improvement in registration accuracy. We added more media sensors for vertical alignment, new rewind and peel plate, new firmware, new rewind pinch roller, new media guide, and media holder.
Raul literally threw a party when engineering improved the print quality and high precision registration. It was a very small, very precise party.
It was a sensible gathering. For horizontal alignment, we're down to a plus or minus 0.5 millimeter tolerance, thanks to the new media holder and guide system. It can now handle media as narrow as 12 millimeters.
But it's not just about the printing, it's also about applying those labels, because manually picking up and placing a 3 millimeter label is a great way to make a worker question their life choices. Naturally, our customers are moving towards more automated and robotic systems.
And that's where the new peel feature really shines. We've redesigned the peel plate and extended the tear bar.
So the million-dollar question for our account managers and partners: when do I sell this new model versus the standard ZT610 600 DPI? The good news, you don't even have to do the math. They're the exact same list price.
You should position the ZT610 micro label printer when your customer needs to do 3 things. 1, print very small labels with the highest possible precision. 2, use very narrow media down to 12 millimeters wide. 3, integrate with an automated system for peeling these tiny labels. To wrap it up, the ZT610 micro label printer gives our customers in electronics, solar, and pharma the enhanced registration and peel performance they need for next generation automation.
Now, if you'll excuse us, Raul dropped a 3 millimeter test label on the floor before we started filming, and we have to find it before we can go to lunch.
I think I see it.
Ooh, boy.